VR, right?
Yes.
How did you implement it in your solution?
Well, actually, we found out with real patients and ophthalmologists and optometrists that VR devices, virtual reality devices, have unique features that can help both patients and specialists to provide a better eye care and get more data from patients.
And you are actually an ecosystem.
Yes, actually, we have an ongoing product which is in the market for quite some time, a couple of years. And we have recently launched a new product for vision test, which is already being used by optometrists and a university in Spain, in Madrid, which is being tested with patients that suffer brain injury, and they test their vision with our tool. And we want to offer some other features, some other visual tests as an ecosystem of treatment and vision check tools.
And how big is your team at the moment?
Right now we are 6 people. 4 of them are developers, and we have an optometrist, which also is doing sales, and myself.
Thank you. So you are a smaller team, but you've talked to lots of people in order to improve your product. So who did you collaborate with?
Absolutely. I think talking with different people and key opinion leaders and specialists is crucial for a startup like us. So we started talking with ophthalmologists, also optometrists, and which gave us some guidance into the development, the first steps, and the MVP, which were crucial for us to start the sales and contact with the customers.
And your ecosystem is not only about treating, but also follow on.
Exactly, yes. The treatment product, we started selling it in 2021. And the vision check tool, the pro version of this to be used by optometrists and ophthalmologists in the clinic, it has been recently sold to customers, and they started to use it with patients since November. So, as I said, it's an ecosystem of treatment and vision check tools in VR devices.
And what is the feedback like?
Actually quite interesting, because especially for the last product that we released, the vision check tool, we found out quite interesting stories from our first customers, especially, for instance, I can recall one from our first customer who is an optometrist with a small business, and his partner suffered a brain injury some years ago, and she found that she has a problem in the vision field, in the upper vision field, which she was not aware of. So using our tool, she found out that that brain injury caused her a vision loss in the visual field.
Okay, well, you are present in Spain and Argentina, but looking forward for more Europe. Right?
Yes, actually, that's why we are here. In reality, we came here to Slovenia because one of our competitors started here. So we want to know the market, and also we want to meet potential investors, because we are always looking for funding, especially for scaling up the company. And obviously, apart from Latin America, where we found our first distributor, we also want to find distributors here in Europe to help us, as I said, scale our company.
And competition is important, right? It's a big motivator, right?
Absolutely. It's the first thing I say to my team. It's like we recently found another competitor in Turkey regarding the vision check tool, and it's awesome because they are validating that we are in the right way, because they are doing exactly the same as we do. Well, we do much more things than them, but at least for the first product, the vision field test, they are doing exactly the same, and that helps us to know that we are in the right way.
Keep your friends close, keep your enemies closer.
Exactly, that's the point.
That's the strategy. You already have the CE mark to sell across Europe, right?
Yes, exactly. The first product that I said before, the treatment, the lazy eye treatment product, is CE marked, and it's on sale since 2021. So we are very proud of that, because during the pandemic we made it to fulfill all the requirements, all the legal requirements to be to register that as a sanitary product, and get the CE mark as a sanitary product class 1.
And why Ljubljana? Why our show of innovation? What impressed you when you read about it?
Well, actually, getting in the same place that much startups in the health sector, in the e-health sector especially, was very surprising for me, and I said I want to be there because we will meet very interesting projects, very interesting people, find some investors eventually. So I think it's the place to be.
Maybe about a few words about the funding you are looking forward to receive. What is the amount of it?
Yes, actually, we want to replicate the same procedure that we have in Spain, collaborating with universities, iterating our product and selling it to customers. We want to replicate in Europe, and we are looking for around 1.5 and 2 million funding for the next 2 or 3 years to do the same in different countries here in Europe.
Fingers crossed for you. Thank you very much.